Take your FPV experience to the next dimension with the EMAX Hawk Apex, a high-performance 3.5-inch or 5-inch racing and freestyle drone that redefines agility, power, and cinematic capability. Built for pilots who demand precision, speed, and reliability, the Hawk Apex is the result of EMAX's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence, combining aerodynamic design with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a competitive racer, cinematic flyer, or backyard basher, this drone is purpose-built to dominate the skies while delivering rock-solid HD video, sharp control response, and durable construction for any environment or flight style. At its core, the Hawk Apex is powered by an advanced STM32F722 flight controller and 4-in-125 AESC, offering highly responsive performance and seamless integration. Choose between 4S 3450 kV or 6S 2450 kV SPEED X21804 motors, paired with HQ Prop T 76mm tri-blade propellers for maximum thrust and efficiency. The drone features the HDZero Whoop VTX system and Runcam Nano HDZero camera, providing ultra-low latency digital video and unmatched image clarity. The airframe itself is crafted from high-strength carbon fiber with a modular quick-swap design that allows easy access and repair with only 6 screws. Combined with aviation-grade aluminum camera mounts, built-in Cobb LED ring lighting, and impact-resistant prop guards, the Hawk Apex is as rugged as it is refined, ready for aggressive race sessions or cinematic flow. From a user experience standpoint, the Hawk Apex stands out as a tuned, flight-ready platform straight out of the box. Designed for both indoor and outdoor flights, it remains stable at low altitudes and agile at high speeds. With smooth power delivery, reduced prop noise, and an intuitive flight feel, pilots can focus on creativity and control without distractions. Whether you're capturing stunning low passes with a naked GoPro or diving buildings in a digital FPV freestyle session, this drone performs reliably under pressure. The Hawk Apex isn't just a drone, it's a precision tool built to inspire, designed to endure, and fine-tuned to deliver unforgettable FPV adventures. Technical overview and features. Frame and build. Available in 3.5 and 5 inches variants depending on your racing and flying style. Lightweight carbon fiber frame construction optimized for both agility and strength. Minimalist design emphasizing performance and accessibility. Flight controller and ESC. All in one board. STM32F722 MCU with 4-in-125 AESC integration, offering clean wiring and compact build. Efficient power delivery and tight integration for responsive control and smoother performance. Motors and propulsion. 3.5 version. Typically uses EcoDesign 2004 motors, 3000 kV, for blazing acceleration on 4S or 6S config. 5 inches version. Available with 2400 kV, 4S, or 1600 kV, 6S, motor options to balance torque and efficiency. Video and camera system. Equipped with HDZero Whoop VTX for ultra-low latency HD analog video transmission. Runcam Nano HDZero camera, offering crisp video and compatibility with the HDZero ecosystem. Receiver options. Available in BNF, bind and fly, variants with Express LRS, ELRS receivers. Alternatively available in PNP form for custom receiver installs. Propellers and thrust. 3.5. Uses Avia 3630 tri-blade props for strong thrust and agile response. 5 inches. Uses Avia 5030 tri-blade props for higher speed and efficiency in 5 inches variant. Power and battery. 3.5 version. Recommended with 4S LiPo, e.g. 850 mAh, XT30, for optimized balance of weight and power. 5 inches version. Supports 4S or 6S power systems depending on the variant selected. Performance and flight feel. Designed for responsive maneuvering, tight turns, and compact agility on the 3.5 model, while the 5 inches variant offers more speed and stability in open courses. Optimized for low latency video, giving you faster visual feedback and better reaction margins. What sets it apart? Integrated HDZero system. A major advantage in modern FPV racing, combining analog performance with HD clarity. Advanced electronics in compact form. The STM32F7224-in-1 ESC board reduces wiring complexity and improves reliability. Adaptable motor options. You can choose setups that favor speed, torque, or efficiency depending on your flying style. Optimized for both tight courses and wide open tracks. Pick your version to match your flying environment. Strong factory tuning and support. GEPRC's heritage and EMAX's resources ensure spare parts and upgrades are accessible. Package contents, typical B&F kit. 1 EMAX Hawk Apex Racing Quad, 3.5 or 5 inches variant. Propeller set, tri-blade. Mounting screws and hardware. Antenna tubing, support. Flight manual, quick start guide. Note: batteries, charger, transmitter, receiver modules, and HDZero video receiver, VRX, may or may not be included depending on the kit variant.